Welcome to The Explainer. I am absolutely pumped to be your guide today. If you've ever wanted to jump into providing AI services but felt completely overwhelmed by all the coding or the crazy tech jargon, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, I'm going to act as your mentor, and we're going to walk step by step through how to build a premium, $2,000 AI customer service system specifically for small businesses. And honestly, the best part, we're going to map out exactly how you can build this entire thing over a single weekend with absolutely zero technical jargon. No computer science degree required here, just a clear, actionable plan. So here is our straightforward blueprint for today. First, the 2K AI opportunity. Second, choosing the right tools. Third, building the Salon demo bot. Fourth, the WhatsApp integration upgrade. Fifth, pricing and pitching services. And finally, scaling and your 7-day action plan. Let's get right to it. All right, part 1, the 2K AI opportunity. Let's dive into this because this is where the magic happens. Right now, literally in your own city, local businesses, I'm talking restaurants, beauty salons, health clinics, local logistics companies, they are drowning. They're completely swamped with late-night, highly repetitive customer questions. Think about it for a second. It's 11 p.m., and a customer is messaging them asking, "Hey, what are your hours?" Or "Can I reschedule my appointment?" Or "How much is a standard haircut?" And usually it's an exhausted business owner or a frustrated staff member sitting there answering these manually on their phone.
Now look at this massive financial contrast. It's honestly mind-blowing. The cost of hiring a human support agent is roughly $2,500 to $4,000 a month. Contrast that with the software cost of an AI chatbot platform, which runs a mere $14 to $99 a month. See, you are offering a business owner a way to drastically reduce one of their biggest operational costs. This massive difference immediately justifies why they will happily, and I mean happily, pay your $2,000 setup fee. From their perspective, your system literally pays for itself in the very first month.
And if you're sitting there wondering, am I too late to this trend? Is the market saturated? Listen to this number, 70%. 70% of small businesses still haven't automated a single workflow. None, zero. This is a massive, incredibly uncrowded market. These local businesses, they're not going to figure out AI themselves, right? They're way too busy running their actual companies. They desperately need someone to step in and do it for them. And you are going to be that person.
Moving on to part 2, choosing the right tools. Now, let's transition over to the software landscape. I know, this is exactly where beginners usually freeze up. But I promise you, we're going to keep things incredibly simple, highly practical, and completely free of any intimidating API jargon. Okay, so there are 3 main categories of no-code chatbot tools out there. First, you have train-on-content tools like Chatbase. These are absolute lifesavers for beginners working with local clinics or salons. You literally just feed it a document and it learns. Then you have visual flow builders like Botpress, which are great for more complex logic and booking structures. And finally, multi-channel platforms like ManyChat, which are perfect for businesses that basically live on social media and WhatsApp. Now, for your very first client build, I highly recommend Chatbase. It's the absolute perfect starting point because the setup is incredibly fast and the output looks super professional right out of the gate.
Section 3, building the Salon demo bot. To really wrap our heads around this, let's use a tangible case study. Meet our fictional client for the day, Grace's beauty salon in Nairobi. So Grace has 3 staff members, but she gets up to 60 redundant WhatsApp messages every single day asking the exact same things. Things like, "Hey, do you do gel nails at 2 in the morning?" Grace is the perfect target client.
So, acting as your mentor here, I want to walk you step by step through configuring Grace's bot using this exact jargon-free checklist. Step 1, just create a free Chatbase account. Super easy. Step 2, train it on her content. You literally just paste in her website URL or upload a PDF of her price list. That's it. Step 3, and this is your ultimate troubleshooting secret. Set a clear personality. We'll call it Glam Assistant and write a quick prompt telling it to be warm and clear. Setting this persona actually stops the AI from making things up, which means zero hallucinations. Step 4, enable a form to capture the lead's names and numbers. Step 5, set a human handover. And Step 6, paste a tiny bit of code into our website footer to embed it. You guys, you can build this entire system in under 4 hours.
Now let's talk about Step 5 for a second, because to elevate this into a truly professional service, you absolutely need human handover. This is the process of automatically and gracefully passing a complex customer conversation from the AI directly to a human staff member. By setting a simple trigger phrase in Chatbase, something like speak to a person or urgent, the AI knows exactly when to back off and send an alert straight to Grace's phone. This gives her total peace of mind, ensuring she never, ever misses an urgent customer issue or a custom request.
All right, part 4, the WhatsApp integration upgrade. This right here is the secret weapon. This is the exact integration that elevates what you're offering from just a basic $50 website widget to a premium business savings system.
Here's the golden formula. Chatbase on the website, connected with ManyChat on WhatsApp equals the complete $2,000 package. Why? Because connecting the AI directly to WhatsApp solves the business owner's biggest daily headache. In so many regions across the globe, across Africa, Latin America, the Middle East, parts of Asia, WhatsApp isn't just a messaging app. It is the primary business channel. The whole business runs on it. So connecting your trained AI to their WhatsApp using a tool like ManyChat means you're automating the exact place where they feel the most pain.
Section 5, Pricing and Pitching Services. Okay, let's shift focus to the financial math of this operation. It's time to arm you with exactly what you need to overcome any price objections when business owners inevitably ask you, well, how much is this going to cost me?
When you calculate and present these clear financial savings to a skeptical business owner, honestly, the math speaks for itself. You aren't costing them $2,000. You are saving them $1,000 every single month. That $900 to $1,200 right there represents the massive monthly cash savings for Grace's salon, simply by eliminating just 3 to 4 hours of manual typing a day, valued conservatively at around $10 an hour. You show them that, and the objection just melts away.
So here is exactly how you package the deal. You pitch a $2,000 one-time setup fee. This covers the bot build, the website embed, the WhatsApp automation, and that crucial handover protocol. But then, and this is how you build a real business, you smartly transition from that initial setup fee into a reliable, recurring monthly maintenance package, a $200 a month care plan. This covers updating their content if prices change, sending them performance reports, and providing priority support. Get just 5 local clients on this care plan,